Hi guys, Samsung Galaxy Note 23 Ultra is rumored to be launched in December 2022 and is expected to run on Android 12 operating system. The newest and latest Samsung Galaxy Note 23 Ultra 5G is coming to the market next few months. This new product has many features that the old model did not have. For instance, this new device can now be charged wirelessly and it has a much better camera as well as a much larger screen size than the Galaxy Note 11 Plus model. The downside, however, is that this device is far more expensive than any other Samsung phone on the market, this according to rumors reaching us. Please like this video if you are a Samsung phone lover. Let me know in the comment section what you are looking out for in this new flagship, and if you haven't subscribed already then hit subscribe button now so you don't miss a thing in the future. Samsung has gained a lot of popularity over the years for its perfect brand products at a quite reasonable price. This is why it keeps the trust of enormous consumers throughout the world. Samsung fans have been eagerly awaiting a new flagship phone. Their wait is almost over. The Samsung Note 23 Ultra will be released soon, and it will be the most powerful phone available. It is so powerful that it will easily defeat every other smart device out on the market. For the Samsung Galaxy Note 23 Ultra full specs, we'd like to talk about the display of this phone. This Samsung smartphone comes with a big 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2x display with a resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels. Moreover, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protects the display from any dust or scratches on the screen. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has a quad-lens camera on the back. A 108MP primary lens plus 48MP periscope telephoto shooter plus 50MP ultra-wide shooter plus 32MP depth sensor can help you take professional photos. This phone also has a 48MP selfie camera around the front. For long battery life, there is a very large 7600 mAh power source. With this, you can use the phone for a long time without charging it. Moreover, this smartphone supports very fast battery charging. In only a few minutes, you can recharge the battery fully. The operating system is Android 12, which is incredibly advanced and works on 5G networks. This means that regardless of where you are from, you can use it anywhere you want. In addition to this, the smartphone also has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile hotspot, USB technology, and more. This Samsung Galaxy Note 23 Ultra phone has a processor that will totally satisfy you. In fact, its Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 chipset will blow your mind. This super fast phone has a powerful 2.0 GHz octa-core processor with 8 cores. Samsung's new 5G smartphone lets you load apps faster and stream videos better than ever before. It comes with a massive 12GB or 16GB of RAM and different ROM versions of 128GB, 256GB or 512GB. The other option is a microSD card to expand up to 1TB. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.